Ever feel like the sales world gets stuck in a rut? Same old tactics, same old results? Well, companies are constantly looking for ways to light a fire under their sales teams. Enter spiffs. These short-term incentives are supposed to be a game changer. But are they legit, or just another empty promise? Let's dive deep and find out. What exactly is a spiff? Imagine this: you're a salesperson, grinding away, hitting your targets, but that extra push for that dream vacation just feels out of reach. Then, your manager announces a spiff program. Sell a certain amount of X product within Y time frame, and bam! You get a bonus commission, a fancy gadget, or even a trip to Tahiti. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Spiffs are essentially short-term motivators. They incentivize salespeople to push for specific goals, often beyond their base targets. Companies can get creative with spiffs: cash, gift cards, experiences, anything to get that extra pep in their sales rep's step. So, are spiffs actually effective? The answer, like most things in sales, is it depends. Implemented correctly, spiffs can be a win-win. Sales reps get that extra boost in income or that coveted reward, and the company sees a surge in sales. Studies show that spiffs can increase sales by up to 20%. Think about it: when someone's chasing a tangible reward, they're more likely to go the extra mile, right? They might put in extra hours prospecting, refine their sales pitches, or go the extra step to close that deal. But here's the catch: the dark side of spiffs. Spiffs aren't a magic bullet. There's a flip side to the coin. Here are some potential downsides. Short-term focus: spiffs are great for a quick burst of sales, but what happens when the program ends? Sales reps might revert to their old habits, leading to a sales slump. Unsustainable pressure: pushing salespeople too hard with unrealistic spiff targets can lead to burnout and resentment. Unethical behavior: desperate to grab that spiff reward, some salespeople might resort to unethical tactics, like pressuring customers or misrepresenting products. Internal competition: spiff programs can create an unhealthy competition within sales teams, breeding animosity and undermining collaboration. The key to spiff success: implementation is everything. So, are spiffs a scam? Not necessarily. But to get the most out of them, companies need to be smart about implementation. Here's how to make spiffs work for you. Align spiffs with long-term goals. Don't just incentivize selling anything. Make sure the spiff targets align with the company's overall sales goals, promoting valuable products and fostering customer relationships. Set realistic goals. Spiff targets shouldn't be impossible to reach. Aim for a sweet spot that motivates without creating undue pressure. Transparency is key. Clearly communicate the spiff program's rules, timelines, and rewards. Everyone should be playing on the same field. Don't forget recognition. While spiffs offer tangible rewards, don't underestimate the power of public recognition. Celebrate top performers and share their success stories to inspire others. Spiffs, a tool in the salesperson's arsenal. Used wisely, spiffs can be a valuable tool in any salesperson's arsenal. They offer a chance to boost income, achieve personal goals, and feel valued by the company. But remember, spiffs are just one piece of the puzzle. For long-term sales success, companies need to create a positive, supportive work environment that fosters growth and motivates salespeople to excel, spiffs or not. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.